dive we'll try to use the features, how they're working, how we'll use in our projects. So first thing we should understand, few steps need to understand to get started in JIRA. So basically there are 7 steps in high level. First we create the project. As we are working on whether it's any project type or any, whether it's a QA team, they're managing their bugs in a project, or a development team, they're working through the sprint, or any other team who are managing their task through the JIRA. First we need to create a project. So while creating a project, it will ask us select some project template. So project template can be in the form of Scrum, because the usage will be little varies depending on what type of project template you are choosing. So if you are using a Scrum, your team is following the agile methodology, then you will choose the project template as a Scrum. No agile, just a continuous development is going on, no any sprint, we'll choose the Kanban. If my team is handling with the bug tracking only, like we testing a website, putting all the tasks need to be done or need to be fixed by the developers, it's all about bug tracking. So there are different types of template are there. We'll see in detail just after this slide. Thereafter there are project types as well. You need to choose team managed project or company managed project. So sorry, when you talk about the team managed projects, it's more centering all the configuration of the project or settings will be basis of the team. The team lead or the project manager who is leading the project can handle or manage the configuration of the project in JIRA. Suppose there is an organization and there are 10 teams and they are all handling different types of projects. So there should be some autonomy to those project leads. They can configure their projects in JIRA according to their need. So in that scenario, team managed projects we choose. Another is the company managed projects. There is a 10 teams, but all the 10 teams should follow the same structure, same style of working, same functioning, no any change. We keep creating the projects, but the blueprint same for all the teams. Then in that case, we'll use company managed projects while choosing the project types. So if you are looking for more control on your project, or team lead or project lead, then it always recommended to go with the team managed projects. Then once it's done, we set up the columns, like we'll see what are the columns on the JIRA board. Once columns are set, then we start to create the issue. Here issue is not a bug in the terms of JIRA. They have given the name issue. This issue can be a story if you're talking about Scrum. This issue can be a task if you're talking about Kanban or any other project. This issue can be a test case if you're talking about in terms of QA. So we create two issues in our project once the project is created. Then if any tools is needed to be integrated with our application, as we have already mentioned, we can integrate some third-party tools like Teams, like Slack, like Trello, like GitHub, like Bitbucket. If this is needed, then we can connect. Once this is done, we can invite the team members to work on those projects and then move forward. So these are some basic 7 steps if you're going to start with the JIRA. So on each topic we are going to talk in detail. So it's just a summary.